Uber for Rob?
Hey, I heard you're picking me up for an interview. Let's go. Hey!
Okay, let's do this. So, what's Amsterdam like?
I mean, it's a beautiful city, a lot of history, a lot of culture, a lot of fun things you can do.
The canal rides are literally my highlight.
Heading out to the beach on a hot summer day and having an Aperol spritz by the water, reading a book, it's pretty awesome.
So why did you join Uber in Amsterdam?
I love working for a company where you really have a direct impact on someone's experience. You're really seeing the difference that you're making on a global level.
Coming through. So Ruben, what's Uber Amsterdam like?
Uber Amsterdam is the EMEA headquarters.
This is really a key global hub. You can meet with people from across the business, from around the globe.
Outside of San Francisco, I believe we're the next biggest headquarter. We service 14 markets.
Uber Amsterdam is a very international office.
About 90% people are from outside the Netherlands. The new office, and what I like about it, is that it's very big, it's very grand, everything is new.
Ooh, not my meeting. I keep hearing so much about lunch.
Yes, we have our lunch, which is fantastic, healthy food.
To be honest, I've never worked for a company before that provided me with food throughout the day.
This is me.
My favorite thing about being at the office is bumping into people, hallway conversations, being able to really solve problems on the fly.
It's a place where I had always the opportunity to feel that my opinion mattered.
Excuse me. Coming through. What kind of qualities do you look for in someone who joins Uber?
If they are driven, if they want to be part of something that's larger than themselves.
I really like the idea of me creating an impact, solving somebody's problem, whether it's a mother that needs to get her children to school, or it's an eater that needs food. Being part of that team that solves their problems is exactly why I enjoy Uber.